Bitcoin transactions are not as secret as they might be thought, but there are many alternative digital assets available that offer anonymity. Privacy-based cryptocurrencies are digital value assets in which transfer transactions cannot be monitored, the credentials of the interlocutors are not shared, and which provide anonymity to users. Although almost every cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, is considered to have an anonymous structure, they are actually not completely hidden. Usually, cryptocurrencies operate on blockchain networks based on the principle of explicit online sharing of each transaction. In the case of transactions December between the parties, the assets are added to the wallet records, which can be accessed in a few clicks. This address and transaction records are visible to anyone who wishes. In particular, if the amount in the wallet is transferred to the exchange, which requires confirmation of recognizing the client, they are more likely to be tracked. Crypto coins, often referred to as privacy-based coin, secret coin, or anonymous coin, provide users with greater anonymity by trying to store transaction information. Why would those who do not take illegal actions need privacy, he is likely to be asked. Among the reasons for this may come the fact that people prefer not to do this or decry privacy as a fundamental right. Because the use of cash is mostly confidential. Transactions are not saved where everyone can see them at the click of a button. Although direct peer-to-peer transactions can be performed to make Bitcoin transactions private, a large number of crypto assets contain privacy features themselves. Decommissioned Bitcoin transactions can be done directly on a peer-to-peer basis. Let's look at the most well-known privacy-based cryptocurrencies. Monero. Monero, one of the most well-known privacy-oriented assets in the sector, was launched in 2014. He has been in the headlines many times since then. Boasting of its decentralization, Monero is trying to attract users with its origin that supports such values. Monero, which has a proof-of-work consensus algorithm and operates on its own blockchain network, has many different privacy technology features, such as hidden addresses and ring CT, according to its website. In the Moneropedia, where asset descriptions are included, the phrase Monero amounts remain confidential thanks to ring CT was added to XMR in 2017. Monero entered the radar of the United States government in the second half of 2020. The National Revenue Administration announced that it will give a reward of $625,000 to the one who solves the cryptocurrency's privacy technology. Two blockchain analytics companies, Integra FEC and Chainalysis, won the award just a few weeks after the IRS announced the award. Scash. Scash is another of the popular privacy-oriented assets in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. It was developed in 2016 by the Electric Coin Company, headed by Zuko Wilcox. Scash uses the same code as Bitcoin, according to the asset's website. ZEC is working on its own blockchain network, separate from Bitcoin, although the proof-of-work includes the mining consensus. ZEC allows both secret transfers called protected transactions and public transactions. Scash offers you the option of confidential transactions and financial privacy through protected addresses, Scash's website explains. Thanks to the zero-knowledge proof algorithm, verification is possible between the information on the website without showing the sender, December, and the transaction amount. The choice-based open structure on Scash allows the user to partially share some transaction details for compliance with the law or audit purposes. Dash. Dash currency also has privacy features. Dash Core Group, the organization that manages the cryptocurrency, although it has features for October privacy, explained that this currency is not actually privacy-based. Fernando Gutierrez, the group's chief marketing officer, previously told Cointelegraph that Dash is a payment unit focused on availability. DashPay CEO Ryan Taylor said in a January 2021 tweet, "Dash is not an AEC," he said, referring to cryptocurrencies that have improved anonymity. All transactions on Dash that occur with the bifurcation of Bitcoin are completely transparent, Taylor continued in a tweet, adding, "All inputs, outputs, addresses and amounts in each transaction are recorded. It can be viewed by anyone on the open blockchain," he said. Xcoin, which entered the crypto world in 2014 as a Bitcoin fork, later changed its name first to Darkcoin and then to Dash. The entity uses its own proof-of-stake consensus algorithm. If users prefer, transactions can be made anonymously via private send. The technology that Dash uses in its private send function is coin join, a technique that complicates transactions and makes it difficult for the companies involved to analyze, Gutierrez explained. The Verge. Verge, a proof-of-work asset that operates on its own blockchain network, offers privacy features. Verge was developed in 2014 under the name Dogecoin Dark, but later received the name Verge Currency. Verge, an open-source asset, allows confidential transfers using I2P and Tor technologies that hide the locations of people processing according to the information provided by BitDegree.